Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest, hands-on gear reviews.
Today, we're diving into what we're confidently calling the best Nylon Travel 30L backpack on the market, the ZOMAKE Lightweight Packable Backpack. Whether you're heading for a hike, planning a day trip, or packing for a vacation abroad, this compact yet spacious Daypack could be your new go-to travel companion. At first glance, the ZOMAKE 30L backpack impresses with its sleek, minimalist design. This version comes in navy blue, though multiple color options are available. Made with high-quality water-resistant and tear-resistant nylon, the bag is engineered to be light but tough. It weighs just 0.74 pounds. That's about the weight of a loaf of bread. When not in use, it folds down neatly into a sandwich-sized pouch, making it incredibly easy to tuck away in your suitcase or another bag. But once you unfold it, you get a full-sized 30-liter backpack that's surprisingly durable for something so compact. Don't let its lightweight profile fool you. This backpack is built for practical storage. The 30L capacity is perfectly suited for short hikes, city tours, or even as a carry-on for flights. The main compartment has an inner partition for better organization, while two front pockets give you quick access to essentials like snacks or maps. You'll also find two side pockets designed for water bottles or umbrellas, each reinforced with buckle bands to keep your gear secure. And if you're traveling with sensitive items, the hidden privacy pocket has you covered. ZOMAKE didn't just build a backpack, they added smart features to enhance your experience. First up, you have the chest protection buckle for extra stability during treks or bike rides. It even includes an emergency whistle, something rarely seen in bags at this price point. Reflective strips on both sides of the front pocket add a safety touch for nighttime use. They're made from a smooth, snag-resistant SBS metal and resin combo that opens effortlessly, even if you're in a rush. When it comes to wearability, the ZOMAKE 30L backpack is designed with ergonomics in mind. The shoulder straps are adjustable and lightly padded, which makes it comfortable enough for long days on your feet. Whether you're hiking trails, exploring European cities, or just commuting around town, this bag adapts with ease. The water-resistant fabric also means you won't have to panic over light rain or accidental splashes. It's perfect for minimalist travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a reliable daypack without bulk. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, ultra-packable backpack that performs like a premium product, the ZOMAKE 30L is a fantastic pick. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gear breakdowns, only here on Product Critique. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.